To another video of
Nick and
Lex.
How's it going, guys? Okay, we usually don't do videos like this, but well, we had like this thing that happened. There was a sock trapped in this hose. So in order to oh my god, to take this apart is like a science experiment, okay? But to make it easy on you guys, so you don't suffer how I suffered. Okay, first of all, this is a shark.
Rotator NV611. So this is the model of the vacuum that we're talking about.
Because most of the videos we could not find a YouTube video with
on
this one.
Model, right?
So that's why I'm making the video. If it helps you, that's amazing. Okay, so I took it apart. It almost broke because I did not. Okay, I took out this screw here. Then that screw. You can go back. No. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here's the kicker. There's one screw under here.
Underneath the grip.
And then you take this out. Okay, I can't. It's already. I put it back in perfectly. There's another screw back here. So if you don't take out these two screws, you will break it apart. It will not go apart.
We basically almost broke it.
Yes. So now this part was the hardest. So you take out this screw and then you take like a butter knife and you go and you
pry it open.
We pry it open with a screwdriver, not with the knife. Okay. And then basically there's a little. Just be careful when you take it apart because there's a little spring in there. Just pay close attention. So the spring, so this mechanism, see? That's
what allows you to pop it back into
the vacuum. So just be careful when you take it apart. This doesn't like stay out, left out. It's very easy. Just look at it. If you've ever made a Lego set, it's gonna make a lot of sense. Okay, just put it back. And we were lucky that the sock was basically here. So I went in, I took all this white stuff off, then inside there's the hose and you just have to pry it like out of this holster, whatever it's called, and then we finally had the hose.
And then we just had the hose, like literally, like just hose right here, nothing else.
Right.
And then that's when we were able to like make it small, and then Nick with his hands.
I used my fingers, I'm thankfully have long fingers. I put in the fingers in the hose and I grabbed the sock and I got it out. So, and then I pretty much like, I mean, it looks literally like, I mean, it looks a little
and then
beat
we
up.
just repaired the holes with duct tape, and guys, it works. Like, we were hesitant. We bought that Gorilla Tape, which, let me tell you, strong, because look, I put a couple pieces here to use, and it ripped the polish off the table.
Now, another story, the reason it had holes is because we tried, stupidly enough, to take out the sock with a
hanger, a metal hanger.
With a metal hanger. Don't do that
because it's curved.
That's how we got these holes into the hose. So we kind of like messed up the hose with the hanger. So just open this thing up and go in with some kind of rod or something.
Yeah, we did. Like, we took a broom and we unscrewed like the edge of the broom, the very bottom of it where the bristles are. Unscrew that and use that.
Right.
So.
Okay.
Anyway, so yeah, we just wanted to let you guys know about that hidden screw there. So good luck to you.
It's two. It's one here, one there. So just like
you have to take the grip off.
Take this off. Like once you unscrew this part, you take that off, and you're gonna see that it.
But the first thing that needs to come off is this part.
Exactly.
Because see here, it's divided like in half, and this needs to come off so that everything else can kind of
And once it goes apart, then take this out, take those screws out, and then it goes apart like nothing. And then you can actually get to the hose.
Yeah, and like Nick said, just be careful of that little spring that's going to come out. Just be conscious of where it came out from so that you know where to...
Okay.
Yeah.
If you have any questions about this, you see, because that's the mechanism right there, see?
Yeah.
Well, now I have to... See, there you go. So if you have any questions about this vacuum cleaner... Look at the model, Shark Rotator NV611. Send us a message or whatever. Tag us or something.
Yeah.
We can
We'll help you.
But
it's worth fixing it because okay, this is very important. To unscrew the things, you can't use like a regular screwdriver. You have to get from Amazon these tools. So this is the kind of hole that it is. It's like a little star with a hole in the middle. So we just bought this one because we weren't sure what size. So this one comes with like a whole bunch of different sizes. But there's, so.
That's for those screws.
All the screws. If you have a shark, you need this tool. You're not going to be able to unscrew it with a regular
We can leave it in the
Phillips
description.
head. Yeah, we'll leave you the link of the one that we bought. So that's really important before you even start all this, because then you're going to wash them out and then...
So I hope, I mean, we usually don't do repair videos. We do videos, you know, of music, and we upload, like, unboxing and, like, songs and stuff. But
we just wanted to help you guys out because we couldn't find a video like this, so we hope to help someone. Okay, well, happy repairing. Like and subscribe.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.